Hey, good morning, man.
Good morning. Good morning. All right, we're live and up and running. Everything's good. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah. A little exhausted right now, but
Me too, man. Me too. I feel like I've been run over.
yeah, that's how I feel too, man. I'm just trying to get my bearings.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me. I'm trying to get it together. Um, Trying to just look at this and make some sense of the trade day here. Looking pretty good though, so think we'll be in good shape.
I'm trying to figure out what the heck's going on with the futures market.
Yeah.
I mean, like we're approaching 3,900.
Mm-hmm. It's
Isn't that
great.
wild?
Yeah. I mean, if we'd just bought and held last year, we'd be rich.
hmm Yeah, bought on that dip in March, man. Just
Mm-hmm.
perfectly fine, but didn't, and here we are.
Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, we're.
And staring at an ES, it's $3,900. Nasdaq's the only one that seems to be having some trouble. So we got a Nasdaq and a Dow, I think, that are kind of like diverging a little bit from the S&P 500. Um, so that's a little interesting. Kind of keep
Yeah.
that in your brain a little bit there. So
Okay.
I guess we'll just see, what happens. We are in a bullish trend on the ES, so looking for buys. Even though I really don't want to buy the market right now, I kind of would like a major pull, something to pull this market down, and then maybe see this thing punch through
Right.
to like 3,900. I mean, if we're looking at pivot
Voice alerts
points,
on.
let me see here. Let me pull this here. Let me go to like a 15 minute. Yeah. I mean, we're sitting at an R1 pivot point. You know what? No, it's crazy. I didn't even notice this. Overnight, we tested 3,900. We tested 3,900.
Mm.
And then we sold down into S1, which is 38.85, 50, and now here we are at R1, 38.95.
Very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm with you, man. I think it's very likely that we get a turnaround here, at least short term. Uh, if we do, the bot will probably trade. So, if we do kind
Mm-hmm.
of rotate back down. The problem is it's hit support at least on the Nasdaq. It's hit support now twice. Uh, which you're right is totally different from the ES. So we've got really two totally different looking markets right now.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and that's hard to it's really kind of hard to depict from because when you've got them so far apart, diverging like that, it's really hard to, there's something in the works there. Just to give you an update, though, I will tell you this: IWM, which is the Russell, right?
Mm-hmm.
ETF, I guess, for the Russell,
Mm-hmm.
and somebody on Friday did took out $3.6 million, and then once they did that, they put another order in for $2.9 million to sell IWM, to put puts on IWM. They did about
Hmm.
five or
IWM.
yep
Okay.
pretty close to $6 million to
Jeez.
bet on IWM coming down.
Well, they're
Um,
waking up this morning, down a little bit right now. We're up. IWM closed at 221.65 on Friday, up trading at 223.74.
yeah, it looks like they got short at 221.84, and
Mhm.
their target or their strike price is 211.
211. Okay.
Yep, yep. So, and that's pretty like one of the biggest things I've seen on this
And
thing.
what's the option expiration?
319.
March 19th to 11th.
Yeah, it looks like they paid $4.42 on one and $4.47 on the other one.
Mm.
In total, they bought 7,940 contracts on one, 6,503 contracts on the other.
Huh.
Somebody also,
Pretty.
yeah, somebody also sold almost a half a million worth of puts at 221.84, which is probably the same person. Same put, it was 211. So, I mean, that's really the biggest flow meter there that I've got that I see. Which I mean, the Russell
Mm-hmm.
does run a little different, so can't really bank on that as far as being like a anything like market sentiment or anything like that. But
Yeah.
I don't know. It'll be interesting to see it play out. Very interesting to see.
Well, the thing is, if you look at things happening in this market, right? I think a lot of people are expecting a move down. You know,
Yeah,
uh, and I mean, if it's the way I'm trading. I mainly, I'm looking for, puts, and I mean, it just kind of stays to, like, the type of trader that I am anyway.
yep.
I'm more of a short trader than I am a guy that's gonna, trade, longs, um, you know, but people listening in, trading and investing are two totally different things. So when I use the term trading, it means that I'm trading, daily and swinging maybe, for a few days or a week's time. So there's two different terms. Trading and investing, two different.
Hmm.
Um, so um, I think I think I think that that's where a lot of people see this market, right? They see it going down. Um, you know, and who knows? Like, maybe the news is
Breaking out on us there, Neil. Neil, we lost you. So test test. There you are. You're
yeah.
back. Okay. It kind of cut out there for a second.
Oh, huh. It's weird. It's gotta be something with my mic. So I added a trade in our room here.
Okay.
So looking for this thing here to kind of break out. TTNP.
TTMP. Let's look at that. TTMP. TTMP. Oh wow. Oh no. Never mind. TTMP.
I'm also gonna look at Sava. Oh wow, Sava. All right. Huh.
I'm not getting a chart on TTMP.
And is in Nancy or November.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. I see what you're saying now. Oh yeah. That's a nice little revival pattern.
Yep. Yep. Long is over $4.10.
It's a good find. You said $4.10.
Mm-hmm.
Is it up there pre-market?
It's $3.72 right now.
Okay, that's what I'm getting too. So
Just patience on this trade here. So I'll probably take like a $5 March 19th option on it. They're like 65 cents. Do
okay,
a
yep.
do a call on it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You could also trade shares, but
Yeah, it's cheap enough. It
yeah.
is. It is cheap enough. You could get, well, a couple hundred shares on it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Is everything up and running good? I believe
Man,
so.
there we go. There we go. 38.97 on the ES right now.
Mm-hmm. Yep. No end in sight.
I think it will. You know what I think? You know what I think? It'll go up. It'll test the pre-market highs. It's just it's gonna do it. I mean, we're this close to getting there. So I firmly believe that's where we're gonna go.
Yeah, I agree. And to be honest with you, I'm just glad that our strategy requires us to just, you know, we've got it down to such a system where my brain does not have to be too much into it because um, I am I'm on planet Mars.
It's just hit the button.
Just hit the button.
That wasn't a bad. Oh, that's only about 1.5 points right here. It's the one thing that I try to keep in mind with the ES too. Coming from like a Nasdaq, where the Nasdaq can move, 10 points,
Mm-hmm.
15 points. They can move like that, right? So like going back and trading the ES, I think that's one of the main reasons why like I sometimes am like pretty quick to cut if I see price action start moving against me. And then I'll just go back in if it looks good, for like continuation.
Right.
But I think from just trading the ES for, many years, 2 years now, not really many years, 2 years, still a baby,
Feels
you
like a
know,
lifetime.
but it does feel like a long time. And when you stare at a market for that long, you kind of figure out its like its moves, and it makes it a little bit easier to just kind of cut and run when, like I said, like when price action looks like it's going to be against us.
Right. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
um, real quick look at the overall markets before this market opens up. We got about 13 minutes before the bell here. The S&P is up 15.25 points. Nasdaq is up 58.25 points. Dow futures are up 133 points, and the Russell 2000 is up 19 points. So we're looking. Just looking strong. It's unbelievable
Mm-hmm.
that these markets are still doing what they're doing.
Yep. We have low impact
Low impact news.
news today. Nothing. Nothing really high impact. So there's that. There is 362,316 call volume and 125,489 put volume. So that gives you any kind of sentiment as well. You know, obviously you can look at the market and tell that, but you know, just another, just another something in the background. I've also got the voice for this cut on, so you probably won't hear it, but there's a, you know, the woman comes on, is like, she'll tell you when a new stock enters the algo.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put that in my ear as well as you. That way, when she comes on, I'll be like, "Oh, she just said," you know, so we can look at stuff too. She's calling out. Not everything's good though, you know. I'm really not interested in much with this, unless it's over $100,000. You know,
Well, that would be my key. That would be the key. Like
yeah.
You know, I mean, people buy in, you know, 10, 20, $30,000 worth of you know, calls for, you know, whatever ticker. It's not really going to trigger anything in my mind.
Yeah.
You know, like the big ones are like anything over 150, 200, 300 upwards to like $1 million, you know, is going to be something that's going to, you know, scream at you and say, okay, if somebody's willing to put $1 million on a SPY call for $400,
yeah,
I'm going to say,
yeah,
all right, now how many more are going to be putting the same amount of, you know, buying calls also, you know, and then you just kind of do the math and you say, all right, well, it looks like if you know, you got all these institutional buyers looking to buy calls, they know something.
Right,
you know?
right.
They've been in this game a lot longer than us, so that's the key. And I'm seeing a lot of call options here for the S&P that was like, it looks like it closed on February 5th. Go selling off here.
Yep, a little bit. A lot of people are, you know, like, there's somebody, you know, a lot of people talking. I'm just waiting on volume, so I know when to buy puts on the Qs. You know, so I mean, they're all like, it seems like a lot of people are waiting to get short. I don't know. It's a weird one. The bot is also waiting to get short. So crazy as that is, the bot is waiting to get short. Most of the sentiment that I get, and you know, let me check now. It does appear that I am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Wow.
It's cool, right?
I'm a little lost right now, but I'm gonna play around with it when I get some time later on tonight. I'm gonna really. I knew you had a lot of time last night to kind of look at it, so
yeah,
this is freaking awesome.
It is. Pay attention to the alpha section, and that's the one that, like, you only get a couple of
down there, that little box there. Okay.
Yeah, like, that's a good one, because if you go back in time and just like play them out and watch them, they're pretty accurate. Not all the time, but they're pretty accurate. So
we'll say somebody, Vail
voice alert.
They went Vail at the end of the day. basically, because that's what I closed at.
Yeah. Veil is a fresh one, man. So and so is ZM. So if you go back and so is Netflix, I believe. 2.4, 2.5. These are swings. So you go back in
Yeah,
time.
they're end of the day. Yeah, end of
That
the day. Boom, boom, boom.
Yep, they don't give
You
you
know.
any kind of indication like what to put or how long to put it or anything like that. It's like they leave that up to you. It's just um, these are ones that are worthy of. Let's say you put a call debit spread on one of them.
Hmm.
These would be the ones that would be worthy of. Let's say it's not going in your favor a month. Let's say you go a month out and they're not going in your favor. These would be the ones that are worthy of rolling out another month underneath the market to get, you know, these are the ones worth rolling, is what I'm trying to say, because the volume's there. It just might not happen in that section of time that
Yeah.
you're looking at. So those are good ones. And if you do like if you do debit spreads, you're able to cap your loss. So you'll be able to leave the trade on, let it expire worthless. You cap your loss at 20-30 bucks or $40 or whatever, and then you can roll the contract out underneath that one for $80 profit, and hope that you can max out on that next round of that next month of push. And that to me is pretty powerful, because now I'm learning how to really roll debit spreads. I like debit spreads better than credit spreads. So a lot of traders like credit spreads because they like that instant gratification. They like that instant money put in their pocket. But the problem with credit spreads is you don't put a lot of money in your pocket. You just put 25 bucks or something, and you're risking 25 bucks or 50 bucks to make 50 bucks, or the credit is never worth what the debit spread can do. I would rather get hit with my max loss at first and see that
Hmm.
red dwindle down and then come into profit. I don't know why. I guess it's just because I've been a regular trader for a long time, so I would rather just take the debit, see the negative, and watch it just go ahead and have my max loss at the beginning and then just watch it work itself out. Instead of getting that credit, it just, I don't know, in my mind it works out better. It seems like that's the easy way with the credit spread, so I need to go the opposite of what all these so-called newbie traders and stuff are using. So
Right. Yeah.
um, but I mean, if you go to Wall Street, you talk to any big time trader, they're all going to tell you the same thing. They make their money with credit. They make their money with premium. They earn premium. So, you know, I don't know. That's a tough one.
Hmm.
But they've probably got a lot more money and stuff, willing to sit back and let this thing play out. Another thing I was looking at, man, if you had a little bit of money, I'm looking at these
Hmm.
Teslas a lot, man, here lately. Uh, Let me get up here so I can show you. If you go to the 4-day, which expires Friday, you literally can earn. You look at a chart and you tell me, what is the likelihood of Tesla going to 650 by Friday? 650.
650. Yeah. I think that's the thing. Like, dude, Tesla
$315 that you can earn on a credit by
to
saying to
650. Yeah,
650.
that's. I
Yeah,
mean, something wild would have to happen, for Tesla to really drop
yeah.
like that.
There's a 99% chance to win, according to Tasty Trade, and um, you know, you look at the chart, and I mean, 650 is like in 4 days. And even if it did, Neil, I mean, so what? You own Tesla at 650. I mean, it's
Hmm.
like, okay, well, then you get to sell the calls, which are worth like $2,000
Yeah.
against your 100 shares. So you're earning $2,000 a week against at 650. It's
Hmm.
insane, dude. Like Tesla's blowing my friggin' mind right now. Like how easy the money is to make on that. The problem is to do that. Even at 650, you need, even with a account, margin account, I need $13,874 in the account to collect that $315. It's almost worth to put $13,874 in there just to collect it, though, man. I mean, that's $315. And if that's not enough, if you needed 600 a week, do 2 contracts, you know? I mean, and earn yourself $630 a week by being super out of the money on Tesla.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like is there some more activity going on right now with IWM?
No. That it won't start till 9:30. So what you're seeing in the red in the main real-time option flow, that's all Friday, and it won't start. It'll start over at 9:30. So
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in a few more minutes. Well, in a minute.
In
In
a
a minute. Here we go.
In a minute, it'll reset, and it's only that day. So you're only going to get alerts for today, right there. You can't go back in history. You can click on I think it's snapshot
Yeah.
or historical.
Get ready to go long.
One of the two. Let me pull my. Thank you.
Get ready to go long. We definitely cycled down to R1.
All right, here we go. Welcome everybody that's here, which I don't see anybody in the room, so I guess it's just me and you, Neil.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. All right, come on. Would love a bigger pullback down to like the 200 period moving average or something like that, and then get a cycle.
My bladder would be full right at the bell. I'm not going though. Holding it.
Let's go.
Wonder why this thing didn't reset. I'm gonna refresh it.
Yeah, mine didn't. All right.
Voice alerts on.
Okay, voice alerts are on.
Nothing. Still says 414.
Yep, mine too.
Maybe they don't have anything.
I did get filled on. Let me see here what I got filled on. I got filled on.
MO really would be going against me right now.
Oh, I got filled on the IWM 211 put. I'm still working on the Vale, VALE call. 17 strike. I'm still
All right, I'm long the ES.
Along with you. What are you targeting?
I'm gonna try to get up there. I don't know. I really don't.
Yeah, I mean $20 is so far up there, man.
I'm not trying to get $20. Not on the ES. Of course.
It's gonna sell. All right, we're getting red dotted, trend change right now, so we're gonna have to jump out.
On the 5?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Trying to. No, it's not there now. It was once it sold off underneath that red. Right there it is.
Previous candle. I don't see it.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Huh.
Oh, wait a minute.
Mine's only doing it on the 1 minute.
That would be it. I had it set on the 4 risk. So that's the problem.
That's the problemo.
Yeah. So my computer reset over the weekend, and for some reason it shut every one of my um uh MetaTraders down, and when I reopened them, they started all over again.
Oh
Like,
my God, yeah, mine too, man. Mine too. Mine did that. Not this previous. Not last night or anything like that, but it did it. Oh man, what day was it that it did it? But it was like, oh, my computer froze. It completely froze, and then I needed to do everything over again. I was
yep.
like, this sucks. Come on, ES.
Okay,
Really,
so
it really looks like it wants to go the other way, but I mean I'll take my profit if I can get it. I think I'm targeting my target's 38.99.50.
other people are having problems with the flow today too. I don't know if you see that in the comments.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, yeah. Literally just looked over and I seen somebody say that.
I'm targeting big today, man. Like, if it's not gonna give me a $20 bill, I don't want to even mess around. Like, you know, like, I mean, 39.01.78 is my target. I mean, just can't make $20, and why am I here? You know what I'm saying? Like, it just doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna target it and see what happens. Let me check our stats here. Still, where is everybody at today? Making me feel like a
I know, I know. Whatever, man. This is, remember when we first started on Twitch,
yeah,
and that was like Twitch for us.
yeah.
We were like, it was just you and I talking, and then we just got, a couple stragglers coming in and stuff like that. And it may also be the fact that, like, maybe we don't put a good description out. I don't know, man. I have no idea. Maybe we need more descriptive, wording.
Yeah, that's something I'm not good at. So, like I try to make up stuff in my head as I go along when I try to do this, but um, you know, it's it's so hard to hang with these other people that make these fancy thumbnails and make these fancy, things for the algorithm and YouTube to pick up on. I
I
just
think, for stuff for the thumbnails and stuff like that, I think we should look into Fiverr. Reach out to somebody on Fiverr and see if they can get us, some stuff,
well,
some thumbnails.
thumbnails are easy to make. Like, you can download one on your phone and create one in like 5 minutes. The problem is it's just one more step. It's like, shoot, now I gotta go make a thumbnail. And yeah, you're right. So that might not be something but they're gonna charge us like $5 every time. And then on top of it, um, think about this. I was thinking about also talking to somebody, which I did before, but I didn't go forward with it. But I want like a really cool introduction.
Yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I'm there with you.
Like a
I'm
really
there
cool
with
one,
you.
like,
I would like one.
yeah, like, yeah, man, like, you see on some of these YouTube videos, like, it's just, right before we come on, it's like this little video entrance, and it shows like pictures and like, you know, coming live, and then it just
Yeah, 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 yeah.
introduce us.
Like right before we come on. Yeah, yeah, that'd be awesome, dude. Damn, ZTO, man. ZTO is if I did not mess up that option play, man, I'd be up amazing right now. I should have just flipped it and done it. I don't know why I didn't. I think I just was annoyed at myself for doing it wrong the first time.
Somebody said, look at Disney. DIS, DIS, DIS. Let's look at Whoa, Disney. Wow, breaking out and going, man. Opened up at 183. We're at 186 right now.
Interesting.
Yep. I would be getting on the put side here soon, though. I think, retest that. I don't know, man. This thing never tests its gaps. I mean, look at it. It's gapped up 3 times in the last 6 months, and only one time has it even come close to testing the gap. So I don't know if I'd mess
Hmm.
with that or not, but I do feel like a pullback's imminent, in it to come back and test something. Uh,
Try to give my brother a little bit of some long-term stocks to look at. So space, well, not space, Virgin Atlantic or Virgin Galactic, not Virgin Atlantic, Virgin Galactic, Intel, and then Vale.
Yeah, I'm looking to come out of
I almost want to come out of my Virgin Galactic position just because of how much I'm up right now.
are you up
Like I'm
pretty good?
up, I'm up good on it, man. Like I'm
That's
good.
awesome.
I'm almost like 25% right now.
Jeez.
So like I get up there and I'm like, all right, I'd rather cut it and then get back in. Because the way that I think about it is, and that's just the flow of the stock market, right?
Right.
Is that we're gonna, it's gonna go back up and then it's gonna come back down.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
and
gonna hold it though. I'm gonna hold it because I want to see it test $60 again.
I want to see Pfizer and Verizon come out of the hole, man. I've been down on those two for I've been red so long in those, like it's like
Pfizer and which one?
Verizon.
Oh, Verizon, yeah. Pfizer, yeah, dude. Pfizer's one of the ones at the bottom of my list here. I'm down almost 4% on Pfizer. Which
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it is what it is. I mean, Pfizer to me like is one of these. It's one of these stocks that I know is just going to do this. It's gonna just sit here. It's gonna lay dormant, and they may have peaks here and there, but more or less what I'm looking at for Pfizer is just dividends. I don't want to be negative on it, but I also don't really care too much.
Right.
I'll let it come down, and then I'll just when time comes to buy more, which will be soon. I'll continue to add to it.
Yep. My thing is now I got 13 positions. Do I come out of my winners, totaling more than 10% of my account,
I know, and then reposition
and then
into
and
the
then
other ones,
and then reposition
yeah,
into the other ones that are down to get a better average and bigger?
I know, I
Yeah,
know.
that's what I'm
Yeah, I
thinking
mean
about doing.
that's a really good it's a really good thought as well, and that's like one of my things. Like I want to try to reposition myself. This
Uh,
week I want to try to.
add.
Yep. Here it is. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, we're in like Flynn. Trying to get out now at 38, 39, like 3,900 right now. See if we can get up there. Try to test those highs from, what is that, Friday? Or no, this morning.
See, just like that. Like, what did I say about space? So space, Virgin Galactic. I keeps calling it space because the ticker symbol is SPCE.
Yeah.
So, but I see this thing. It gapped up. It gapped up. Like, is it gonna come back down and like close that gap?
Right.
I don't know, man.
I'm collecting a sweet little premium on SNDL. I put a $10 put. I sold a dollar put on SNDL and collected $10 on it as a
SNDL is one that I'm down to. I only dip my toes in that position, 25 shares. And I'm looking for it to come back down. If it comes down to like $1,
Yeah.
I'll add another 25.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be 100 in it at a dollar if it comes down there, and I get to keep my 10. So then I'll just start selling calls on it and hope that it one day gets over a dollar. That's kind of the process there, but I would like to come out because my biggest position right now is General Mills. I'm up 5% in it, and actually, no, that's not my biggest percent win, but my biggest percent win right now is Intel, which I'm 6.90% in, and between those, and I'm up 27% in Sweston Energy, the one that Weeble give me.
It is a free one, and that one I'm up. Yeah, that one I'm up like 8%, 8.5%.
Yeah, yeah, man. So I mean, I kind of want to get rid of it, and I kind of want to get rid of. I hate to sell general. I hate to sell my winners though. I just because it's what's keeping the balance going right now. Without that balance, I'll be down. More. But it's like you said. I mean, we need to be able to reposition into and kind of get those averages right on the
Mm-hmm.
on the ones that are down because Verizon's a buy, man. I mean, it's down and down. I mean, Verizon's not going to stay down. Verizon's a good company. It's one of the biggest companies in that we have.
Well, it's a big telecom company. 5G internet. Spans a bunch of different markets. So here we go.
There we are.
Here we go.
Come
Yes.
And I am out 27.50.
And that is it's a good trade right there, man. That's a good trade.
I'll take it. Good first trade in the books. Flow is broke, so
Flow is definitely broke right now. And this is why I should have done it, man. I should listen to myself. Yep, it's coming right back down, man. It filled that gap.
How did VALE open today? Let me look that up. VALE. Just wondering.
I think it's down.
No, it's up. It's up.
Is it?
Yep. They called it at 1726.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
at
1756. Okay.
So that's a good one right there. If you'd had like an $18 call on it, you'd probably be looking pretty sweet.
Yeah, you'd definitely be looking to potentially close out of that position. I mean, that's like a quick little day trade, basically.
Yeah. Yep.
Depending on how many calls you got, or even if you did 1,000 shares, or even 100 shares, on Vail.
What about
Zoom? It's not bad.
ZM is down a little bit today from its call on 2.5. It called it at 409.72. 409.72. So it actually called it before the day was out, and there was still room. So it went from 409.72 to 422.50. That's a big jump. That's a big jump.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's that. I mean, I don't know if it holds, going forward, but Zoom is a beautiful chart, man. Look at that breakout. Holy cow. It's that same revival pattern. It's a low end breakout.
Mm-hmm.
It comes back in, tests support. If it holds, man, that would be a good call. If it can hold this support down here at the 400, and continues looking like it's gonna go bullish, 450 would be a great.
Zoom. So, why did it break out? Was there earnings or something? Like, did they have?
No clue.
So ES just tested the 3950, the R2 pivot, and rejected. So it did test the pre-market highs, which is basically where we assumed this market was going to go in the morning.
Yeah.
And then from there, now it's like up in the air. We gotta gonna sell off, or are we gonna break out of that level there?
Right.
So remember that was the second time it tested that level here, short term. So we'll see. Man, this MO is killing me, dude.
BA was on Thursday. It was a call on Thursday, 212.38. 212.38. So it's down right now too, but it still looks good. Still looks really good, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, these are ones right here, man, that could really make some money. And if you look at it, if you were to go out,
What is QS? I was like 2-3. It was called a week ago.
What did I say on that one? If you went with 220, if you went with 220 at OTM, yeah, it looks like that's the one I had.
The day we want to use Flow, and Flow's just dead.
Dead.
Huh.
Dude, this OTM here, max loss $695. Max profit $1805 on BA. OTM call 220. You're gonna hit your max profit.
Oh man. Trying to break out. I just don't understand. I don't understand.
Yeah, I probably should have held on to those contracts, made a little more money. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice, like always. That's
I
insane.
need water.
Insane. I like that one better. Max loss 200, max profit 300, and you're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit your max at whatever that is. I mean, just right above. Yeah, dude, that's the smart money right there on BA. You're gonna risk 205 is your max loss. Your max profit's 304. That's the way to fly right there, man. That is the way to fly on that one. I'm not brave enough to hit the button yet, but that's a good trade. I feel pretty good about that trade. Disney is definitely in the ranks and Tasty Books today. See, that's crazy, man. There's no news. There's no nothing telling us that. Well, I mean, am I missing something? I mean, what?
I don't really, I don't really know. I don't know why all this stuff is really, moving. Other than the fact that, like, I mean, you had the news, that came out. Democrats unveil a 1-year plan to send up to $3,600 per child to households. Could that potentially be like what's helping the market, because it's going to help, like, these, the people that need it. I don't know. I don't see how that is like really a positive thing, though, because
OCGN.
You're going to be taxing a lot of people just to get that money.
Yeah, and not to mention the people that get that money are taxed on it too. So so you have to file it on your taxes, pay taxes on the money. So you're just paying it right back to them. I mean, OCGN is halted. Tilray.
I would think Tilray and Euphoria.
Dude, look at Tilray, man. Looking beautiful.
Could be good.
Tilray's looking
sweet. Tilray's good. See, let's look at APHA, because APHA, if Tilray's moving APHA, yeah, APHA's up $1.22 now too.
Uh, it says it's working now. I'm gonna refresh. Nope.
What is that? It's working?
Yeah, somebody said it was working. Is that what you? That's what I'm reading on the chat there. It says it's working. Could be wrong, but oh, flow only showing dark pool, no options yet. Nothing is working. Is real time option flow working? No, it's not. Better fix it. HMX. 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 Am I reading that right? HIMX. HI. Dark pool order. Ooh, $2 million.
Takeda's moving
At
to
1401. It's already up to 1490.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. HMIX. HIMX. $2 million was put in at 1401, pushed it to 15. Dark pool, man. They believe in it though. They're probably gonna come out of it pretty soon though. That's $1. You made $1 on 150,000 contracts or shares or whatever they did. That's a lot. That's a lot. $1 made is a good bit.
See, TTMP's at 381 right now.
Are you gonna go long again?
Yeah, if it triggers.
It's only 9:55, so I mean we got we got plenty of time.
If it triggers. I personally would rather this market sell off, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna play it, I mean, it's about all I can do.
Yep. BE, that one from last week, man. I'm thinking about taking it off. I'm down like $85 on it, and it's just not going anywhere. Bloom Energy. GME is still about break even. This is my demo here. IWM is my new one. I'm down 650 on it. That's that one I'm taking from the algo. So we'll see. And I tried to get long veil, but I'm not getting filled. So it's working, but let's see if I can.
Oh, let's see. Trigger. Come on. I hate to see my MO put getting beat up like this. I'm literally trying to hold on to it. Because it's March. I mean, we're talking like a March 12th put. You know what I mean? So I could sit here and hold it for at least a little bit longer.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Because it's like even the decay is not gonna eat me up too bad until like it gets a little bit closer.
Right. Yeah, you got plenty of time before.
All right, man. I'm long.
Oh crap. Let's see if I can get with you here. Wait on.
Gotta try to break R1 here.
I'll go for a short goal this time. $10. $10 2 equals 12. $10 2.
BLNK and Plug is moving too.
Yeah, there were some puts on
Man,
Blink, BLNK, that I saw from
puts,
last
yeah.
week. Yeah, from last week. Dang, hang on a second.
Come on.
Ah, there we go. I got it back.
Push, 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 push,
There we
push,
go.
push,
I'm out. I'm out,
push,
dude.
push. Oh yeah, I got that too. Damn, I just looked.
37.50
Nice.
on the day, dude. All right, so it's turning out to be a pretty good little day here.
Damn, dude, I am so congested right now, dude. I'm telling you, man, it is beer. Beer, like, it must be something in like the yeast that does it to me, man.
Might be. I think mine is just being outside. My nose is all messed up. My throat's all messed up. So these guys who run Flow Algo got hammered last night in Tampa. That's funny.
SWN, somebody's in SWN, isn't that what I have? I have that long. I have Sweston. I have Sweston Energy long. Got that for free. There's a Poppy. A Poppy is moving. A Poppy. I'm up 6.25% on it. Ah, freaking MO. You suck. Oh, just gotta stop watching it.
Yeah, yeah. I'd like to find out what is. I'd like to find out what the heck is pushing this market exactly. Like you said, is it stimulus? I don't know. I mean,
I
that
think
stimulus
I
is a
think it
pipe
may
dream right
very
now.
well be.
But it's a pipe dream right now. Like it's not even you know what I'm saying? It's not even like it's not even like even getting close to being a reality yet. So I just don't I don't know.
Sanders opposes cutting the income cap for $1,400 stimulus checks.
Yeah, it's like 50,000, I think.
Yeah, they wanted to bring it down to 50,000. Yeah.
As what is it for joint couples? It's a little more. Or
Well,
75,000 for two for couples or married.
yeah, I mean, I really don't know. I don't know. Like, I really don't think any of this stuff is very helpful. Why don't we just freaking start opening up the economy again? How about that instead of doing all
Amen.
this stimulus stuff?
Preach it.
That's what I think.
Yeah.
I mean, come up with tools and things to, help, people, with COVID and allow them to go back to work. A means at fighting it. Have testing sites at the facilities, that you're going into, offices that you're going into. We get tested. If you test, positive, then you gotta send them home. And if they were around any other coworkers, send them home as well. Like, I mean, that's the only way to fight this and get people back to work.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you from an industrial point of view, with this place I'm at right now, they
Hmm.
don't care, dude. They just like they're humping,
Well, I know they
they're
don't. I know
hopping,
they don't.
they're hopping so hard. Like they put in a
Yeah,
few little rules, but it's like if you aren't puking or dying, we need you
yeah,
there. You know, it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
they they make you, you got to wear the mask, and they got this little thing when you walk in it. You have to stand there, and it like reads your face and tells you your temperature, and then I mean, that's it. That's it. Like
But don't you find the whole temperature thing like kind of silly?
it is silly. But I had COVID. I never had a temperature.
Hmm.
I never one time, and I know a lot of people that can say that. I never had a temperature.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so I don't know. I think it's ridiculous, man. I really do. Like, I just, I don't know. I don't know the answer, man. I know there's vulnerable people, and
Well,
that
we don't know
part's,
the
yeah,
answer. That's the thing. Like, we don't know, we don't know the answer. We're not,
yeah,
unfortunately, not scientists, not doctors, not anything. We can't really, say,
yeah. All I have
what's
is
right
my
or what's
own.
not. But I mean, what I would do is, like I said, is like create policies to, to effectively fight it. Like, look at the NFL. I mean, the NFL had tracing, contact tracing. So if like they wore these, like, these wristbands or whatever on them, and they would get tested, and if you tested positive, and that wristband also targeted with another person, within the time frame of you testing positive, then they can go back and say, okay, you need to quarantine, you need to quarantine, you need to quarantine everyone that was within reach of you, quarantines.
Yeah,
And they did a really good job at at least mitigating the number of cases. I mean, they still had cases, but they mitigated it, and they finished the season.
mm-hmm.
And like, how come facilities can't do the same thing?
Yeah,
I mean, yes, do employees really want to have to wear these wristbands for contact tracing? Probably not. But if they want to earn a salary and continue to put food on the table, they're gonna have to do it.
yeah.
So I think that's like, I feel like that's a good way to get things back. You know, I, otherwise I don't really know. Giving people money to sit at home is not good. It's not an effective way
No,
to get people back, on their
no.
feet.
It just makes them not want to go back. You know.
Hmm.
Like that's, they've, although, I mean, I can't, I mean, you can honestly say the government has not been much help to its people during this
No.
pandemic because even, both administrations so far, even with the money that they did finally settle on last year, was not enough, dude, for people that were really like in the heat of everything.
Mm,
It was not enough. I mean, it
nah.
just wasn't. So, I mean, you look at it like that. I mean, and as hard as it was for them to get unemployment, somebody just put in $97 million into the SPY.
For what?
Dark pool
Oh, I
oil.
just seen it. I
Yep.
just seen it. Is that a long?
We don't know. That's the thing. It's dark pool. So it looks like they just. Yes, it's a long. There it is, green. They just found out. So they did buy $97 million. 90. Just let that sink in for a second. $97 million somebody just spent at 387.66. So let's put that in perspective here. 387 SPY. Let's see. 387. Get these lines out of the way. I don't know how to delete them.
Absolutely wild.
Oh, there it is. Um, how do we delete? Close. How do I? I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to delete these lines. Let's see. I'm gonna hit delete. See if that works. Delete. Oh, that worked. Okay. 387. So they got a better deal on it by buying it at that price. By buying that much, they sold it to them at 387, 66, which is down in here. Damn.
Wait, that was a long time ago, man.
It was at 945. Yeah. Why is it so slow coming in?
We're talking $2. It already made $2.
Yep. 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 I don't.
Unless it's just flowing in right now. That's what it is. I bet you, because whatever was happening, XLE had a $24 million.
Either that or it's just this whole thing, this whole system screwed up right now. So Right now, we're not off to a good start, Flow Algo. They said that Cheddar Algo is pretty good though, so that'll be another
I
one.
did see that one too. Yeah.
Another one we can check out for sure.
Come on. Really just want this market to flip its switch.
All right, I'll take a cycle. If it wants a cycle, I'll jump back in on it. I don't care.
It's just it is literally riding the coattails of the 20-period moving average right now.
This guy says they gave me a 14-day trial, then they pulled the plug. See, I can't chat. It says you can't. I don't know how this guy's chatting. He's got the 14-day trial. Like it tells me that disabled during the first 14 days.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, that's weird.
Yep.
Where's options flow?
Option flow is your main one, the main screen there, where it's got the IWM right now. Different Friday. Holy cow. Yeah, if we'd have known that dark pool order at 387.66, man, that'd have been somebody puts
You just stay.
97 million.
You just stay in your long. Yeah.
I'd have just stayed. Yeah.
There it is. It's all
XLE.
flowing in right now.
46 calls.
Oh, there it is.
February 26th, 2021. 10,000 F12
You're at
calls.
Ford calls.
March 19th, 2021.
Yep,
5,000
290,000.
contracts. API. 135 calls. February 19th, 2021. 5 Eric. 15 calls. January 21st, 2022.
81,000.
500 pins.
What
100
does this mean
calls.
by block and sweep?
May 21st,
Promote the
2021.
exchange sweep.
700 contracts.
You need to read up on that.
AAPL.
The sweep is where
145 calls.
they run it through
February
whatever.
26th,
Hang on, let me cut her off for
2021.
a second.
2,979 contracts.
HYLN.
Sweep is when they run it. It's a very aggressive move where they run it through whatever exchange they have to get it filled. Block
Okay.
is when they try to do it kind of quietly. Split is like, they're splitting between different. Yeah, read up on those. Sweeps are the best because those are the ones that are like, got to get them now. Got it. Just whatever it
Jesus.
takes to fill it.
HYLN's already up over $16.30.
Yeah, see, it came out at 10:07, so we're still updating. It's still
We need live.
yeah.
I'm not, it is what it is, they're having issues. We'll see what happens. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
I'm not quick to jump. I'm not quick to jump, like all these other people in this chat.
Yeah, man, they're going
It's like-
crazy.
Dudes, calm down,
Yeah. What I would like to see is a SPY contracts come in, some big orders for the SPY calls, and that would help me to get long again.
Can't you just filter by like a specific ticker?
Yeah, you just type it right up there in the filter by
Oh,
ticker,
yeah, right there. Okay.
and just hit like SPY, and it'll bring that up. Of course, there's nothing right now. There's a lot of dark pool orders coming in, but
Yeah, but those are old.
yeah.
Delayed by 5 minutes. Yeah, definitely delayed by 5 minutes.
What does it say that? Oh, at least we're not the only. At least it's not just us, That's the.
All right, ES is coming down. Come on, man. You
Needs to
gotta
go to the
close
bank.
out of that, man.
Okay. Take that too.
That too?
No. Just put that back in there. No, not again. Not again. Neil, not again.
I know.
Ugh.
Share with you something right here.
HSBC.
HSBC. Yep.
Yeah, man. Gambler alert.
HSBC, $29. So that one's right there, 26.93 right now.
The problem is that it's only a $70,000 order.
Yeah. I mean, it's not. It's nothing crazy.
Yeah. So, look how spotty this is, man. It's crazy. They put a, what, $29 call on it. Ooh, they think it's going to hit new highs. LI, 18,000.
LUV's got another, so LUV, 385,000. Verizon, or not Verizon, Visa. Yeah, Visa calls. Yeah, that would make sense. I mean, Visa follows a SPY. So if the SPY's going up,
Oh, you just got that. I just now got that.
you know.
V. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. 212.50 strike. So they're in right at the money, near the money. No, they're out of the money.
Expiration is only, well, expiration is only a few days away. 212.
$70,000 bet. I'm starting to wonder if we're actually live streaming. I mean, it shows that we are. I don't know.
Well, when I was streaming the other night, I was like, I don't even know if I'm live streaming right now.
Dude, I was on
No
there. I was
idea.
watching you. I was watching you.
Were you?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, futures aren't doing what I said they were gonna do. I said, oh, they're gonna come. Well, actually, no, it did. It did come down.
What did?
The market, because it did sell off overnight.
No.
It did. What was I looking at? The 4-hour chart. Yeah, it did. It sold off.
245 calls.
SQ.
February 19th, 2021. 514 contracts.
That's a lot of money on SQ, dude.
Oh my lord.
245 strike. So they're underneath it. They bought a way in the money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they paid $514.
NVDA.
No, they paid
585 calls. February 19th, 2021. NVDA.
NVDA,
600
dude.
calls.
Yeah,
February
NVIDIA,
19th,
two of them.
2021.
Two NVIDIA calls.
271
That's
contracts.
a lot of money.
$600 on NVIDIA?
Holy cow. And that's at 219, man. 219.
Yeah, it's 2 weeks.
Yeah,
2
dude.
weeks, right?
Yeah. Let's NVDA.
Oh,
Pins.
Pins just got a $2.2 million
January
options
21st,
options play.
2022.
110.
1,871
Oh,
contracts.
121.22.
Let's see. What did we say? That's a
Dell.
Stop.
40
Slow
puts.
down, lady.
February
600.
19th, 2021.
$600.
524 contracts.
600
You're
call.
really thinking pins is gonna go. That's a lot of money there, man.
I'm gonna do
Oh,
this.
there's another pins. So two for pins and 121 22
Pins.
expirations.
110 calls.
$110. The
January
wow,
21st,
what
2022.
is that? 1,195
1,195 contracts.
options at $11.75.
PINS. PINS.
Yep.
NXTD.
121.
There's
February 19th,
97 million on
2021.
SPY.
900 contracts.
Wait a minute. 121 on pins? 121.
121 22. That's
Oh, that's a
you know,
long way
next.
out. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
We're gonna hold off on that one.
That is the reason. That's the reason why. Puts on Dow, DAL. I kind of like the puts on Dow.
Dow. Let's try some puts on Dow. Dow. I'm doing this in demo just to. I'm trying to run out every one of them I see and see what it looks like as a basket.
Dow is 42.92 right now, and they're looking at
ATOS.
$40 puts on
5
it.
calls. March 19th, 2021.
21 expiration.
500 contracts.
2/19/21.
Yep. All right, I've got that one. I'm gonna get it at 35 cents. Done.
Atos and NXTD also have some calls on them.
That was a very low price one though. $17,000 on that. Dow.
Z180 calls.
Ooh, big money on
February
Z.
19th, 2021. 896 contracts.
There's another put on IWM.
Yep.
220
So
puts.
expecting the Russell to kind of come
February
down.
12th, 2021. 2,209 contracts.
Z is let's look at Z219. February 19th, and we are going to look at the 180 strike. 180 strike. 180 strike, and we're gonna buy that. And we're gonna pay $3.60.
Okay. All right. I'm long the SPY or ES SPY. It really it sort of is the SPY.
I didn't see the SPY come in. Oh, you saw it on the dark pool.
No, I'm talking about our
Oh.
ES. It just alerted.
Oh shoot.
You can get in. It's still you're actually under where I would be getting in, where I got in.
All right, I'm in. Another quickie here. Try to make a new high.
UWMC. 7 calls.
Starting to do some
May
sideways action
21st,
here.
2021. 999 contracts.
999 contracts on UWMC.
UWMC.
Dude, this is pretty awesome when it starts working.
XLE.
XLE again.
45 calls. February 26th,
Dude, gotta
2021.
Get XLE, gotta get XLE.
1000
man.
XLE.
XLE's coming
45
in, dude.
calls.
XLE.
February 26th, 2021.
February
1000
26th.
SE 310 calls.
Wells Fargo
March
calls.
19th, 2021.
XLE 45.
572 WFC. 35 calls. February 19th, 2021. 5 SE 305 calls. February 26th, 2021. 500 contracts. U. 42 puts. February 26th, 2021.
So many.
743 contracts.
There is so many, dude.
On ES. Freeze?
Come
Yeah.
on, come on. I really want to get that filled. Problem is, I'm not getting filled on.
WPRT. 13 calls. April 16, 2021. 598 contracts.
WPRT. That's a lot of money on a cheap stock. $13 strike. 416.
Going out to April 16th.
416. And they are going to do what? The $13 call.
Forward 3 million.
SQ 245 calls.
Dark pool 250.
February 19,
contracts
2021. 746 contracts.
Okay, I got the WPRT 13 call. I did get that.
JMIA. 65 puts. February 12th,
Neo
2021. 989
That's good
contracts.
because I'm in that one big.
How the ES sells off.
NIO. 100 calls. May 21st, 2021.
Baby, that thing's coming
608
down.
NVDA.
Yeah, it is.
590 calls. February 19th, 2021.
Coming right into some support right now.
466 contracts.
It's got to hold here if it's going to continue to go higher. If not, it's going to go test that 200 period moving average. About to wipe out everything I did today. Oh.
Okay, got the Z's. Got the Val. Got the
JPM.
Interested.
150 calls. March 26th, 2021. 6 AAPL. 130 puts. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Okay, here we go. This is going to be our add point here on this long. See if we can get another push, at least a double top here. This could be it. We're expecting this, though. I mean, this was not a big surprise that the end was close, you know? So.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. See if we get an ad. If we get an ad, it'll be good. Get a better, my better average here.
LNTH. 30 calls. July 16th, 2021.
So I'm just going through on
607 GME. 60 calls. February 12th, 2021.
I'm just going through this, and
500 contracts.
everything that I see that looks good.
WPRT. 13 calls. April 16th,
Ooh.
2021.
Another
2000
WPRT.
UBS. 15 calls. May 21st, 2021.
I'm just
2,000
WPRT.
contracts. XOM.
What is
45
DAL?
puts.
That's
March 19th,
the
isn't that Delta
2021.
Airlines?
Yeah, isn't that the put?
900 AMC.
Yes.
4 puts.
Yep.
March 19th, 2021.
Ooh,
558
AMC 41,000 worth
NG.
of puts.
17 calls. February 19th, 2021. 600 and
I'm
APL.
glad somebody can buy puts on
125 calls.
AMC. I remember I was trying to
March
buy puts
19th,
like last week.
2021.
It wouldn't let me.
100
Right.
NG.
Dude, this
17
thing is going
puts.
off.
February 19th, 2021. 3004 SLQT. 25 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1000.
I'm gonna wait
Eric.
for this next 5 minutes.
16
and go
calls. March 19th, 2021.
Oh wait, I don't really want to walk away either because if it
1,903 contracts.
blues here. Shit. American Airline puts.
I have American Airline puts.
Do?
Yeah, I think.
AAL.
So I was looking
17
at
puts.
American Airlines and wanting to
February
go long
12th,
American
2021.
Airlines. I think I was wanting to go long American
514
Airlines.
contracts.
Oh no, it wasn't American
No.
Airlines. It was CCL.
Oh no, I'm
Carnival
short Delta,
Cruise.
not American Delta.
Come on.
And they're shorting the airlines. Period. Like AL, DAL, they're shorting both of them.
Yeah. What you wanting to do, market? Some more American Airlines.
Mm-hmm.
AAL. 17 puts. February 12th, 2021.
It's almost time to
500 contracts.
start
Net.
doing some work.
90 calls. March 19th, 2021. 948 contracts.
1750 put on 212. 1750 put. It's only 33 cents.
Thought I did this.
Net. 90 calls. March 19th, 2021. 281 contracts. Net. 105 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1000
So
GSA.
ES actually held
calls.
R1.
March
which is
19th,
pretty good.
2021. 1,000 contracts.
Trying to get back up to R2 here.
XPEV. 55
This
calls.
slow algo thing.
April 16th,
It's
2021.
going off like crazy.
900
Yeah.
and Mu. 85 calls.
Ooh, 2.2
April
million on
16th,
Mew.
2021. 4,000 contracts. SPY. 387 puts.
Ooh. that's-
February 10th, 2021.
Oh,
500 AAPL. 125
site
puts.
potential ad
March
here.
19th, 2021. 697 contracts. SABR. 15 calls. March 19th, 2021.
Oh shit.
704
I think I
XLE.
turned off.
44 calls. February 12th, 2021. 4,014 contracts.
I'm in on that Mew, man. That Mew, $2.2 million, 85
Yeah, it's a lot.
IWM. 221 puts. February 19th, 2021. 2,473 contracts.
Lord have mercy.
IWM. 221 puts. February 19th, 2021. IWM. 221 puts. February 19th, 2021.
I gotta cut this lady off.
IWM.
Oh, I know.
221 puts.
What is
February
I should-
19th, 2021.
I was wondering what was happening.
1,404
Trying to connect to a
contracts.
device here for work.
Spy is there was one for Spy. Puts for only $44,000.
Really wondering what this ES is trying to do. Like it's trying to go back up, it's trying to go higher, but it is struggling. Man.
It is. It is. I still like it though. I like it for at least another like a test. Like it wants to test the high.
It's possible. Uh, possible
Here we go.
ad.
Yep. Here we go. Here we go.
Seconds here. Pull the average down just a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Come on.
Probably my last trade of the day. I'm in
Mhm.
that. Now we're gonna target 3,900 again. Up there. IWN more puts.
I think my target price is 39. Because my average price is 3,900 and a quarter. So I'm targeting 3,902.
Gotcha. Yeah, remember for me I was telling you I was gonna get a little bit more aggressive with my ads. So
Oh, right. Yeah. So you didn't wait for the whole blue.
yeah, I did. I just went in 2 contracts more.
Oh, that's what you mean. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you meant like adding, like lower, you know what I mean?
No.
Like aggressive as in like that.
No. I just add more at the dot. You know. So like right now I'm trying to make $20 and $20 is
Yeah, it's just a little bit above 3,900, I think.
yeah. So I mean it doesn't even have to test the high. It can just come up right above it, get me out, and I'll be happy. If it wants to. If not, I guess, we'll go to war. Riot.
Yeah.
208,000 on a put.
I
Man.
guess expecting Bitcoin to come down a little bit, I guess. Like that's probably what they're looking at.
Yeah.
Really? I copied over really quick.
Mm.
All right. I gotta step away for a sec.
Yeah, man. All right, I'll just cut this lady back on.
Voice alerts on. Veru. 15 calls. March 19, 2021. 685 NOG. 10 calls. January 21, 2022. 510 WMB. 21 puts. April 16, 2021. 669 contracts. Dish. 34 calls. February 19, 2021. 606 M16 calls. February 12, 2021. 800 contracts. F11 calls. February 12, 2021.
Still nothing.
1000
Still nothing
contracts.
happening. Let's see what this person wants.
Yeah, it's a little boring. I'm getting a little push now, though. See if it can fight. Come on.
BMY. 63 calls. February 19, 2021. 561 contracts.
Did you see somebody put $10 million on LB? Lumber, is that Lumber Liquidators? LB?
No, that's something brands,
Okay.
L brands or
L
whatever,
Brands.
right?
Yeah, $10 million, dude. $45 million on HYG. $45 million. I can't even fathom that, man. Ugh, let me let my dog in real fast. Okay. Go on, lay down. Go.
Net. 100 calls. March 12,
Come on, ES.
2021. 100 contracts. NIO.
Trying, man.
62
It's trying.
calls.
It's about to test this resistance
February
here
12,
now.
2021. 300 contracts.
I'm glad to see NIO getting calls. Because I'm currently down.
Oh, a little Neo. Yeah, man.
I'm currently down, Neo. Come on, ES. Let's go. Let's finish out this day. Come on. Don't you get right there and then quit on me. Don't you even do it. Don't you do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Whew, 40 million on Disney, dude. Dark pool order. I hate how it won't tell you if it's long or short. Dang it. He's going to put in a lower high. Dang it. I'm right there. Right there. It's a little higher. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
What the hell was that noise?
I don't know. Did you hear that? That was
Yep.
crazy.
I like feel like that's a brand new noise. It might be something.
That was definitely.
Oh, it was alpha.
Oh,
Alpha,
net.
alpha.
Oh, net. That's a cool sound. Let's go.
Oh my god, these noises, I swear. Like
No, man. What was that net call? That was a 219.89. 219.89.
we go, man. Here we go. Come on, 3901. Let's get 3901 and we get 3902. Let's get
Net
this and then be
312,
done for the day.
319.
There we go, 3901. 3901.
I'm out. I know I'm out. Let me look. Nope, I'm not out.
It's probably tapping. It's
It
probably
is.
tapping. It's like you're on the order book.
I took a couple off there. I got too many. I got 3, so I'm down to 2. I'll take another
Come
one.
on,
I'll leave that
man.
last one. I'll leave that last one. I'll leave the last one.
This has been like the longest. Like it's only the minute chart, so it actually isn't really that long. Oh wait, no, hold on. We got in around here.
Let's see. Net
1521.
319. 90 call. 90 call. There's a lot of momentum there at the 90.
Come
So
on.
let's see if it's right. This is gonna be fun to watch this actually play out, because the only thing I hate is I'm 15 minutes behind on this demo. So
Oh, yeah. I can see Dow being a put. Avaya, huh? Avaya puts.
I know I'm out now. I know I'm out. Nope, I'm still not out. Jeez.
Yeah, man.
There it
It is
is.
like it. There you are. Yeah, now you're out.
No, I'm out. $56 on the day, dude.
Not bad,
I'll
dude.
take
Not
that.
bad at all.
That's a win to me. I mean, this account's only got $2,600 in it, so that's.
Oh, whatever, man.
Mm-hmm.
Throw it.
Yep.
I'll only have 37 if I get this trade here, but hey, I also didn't add a couple extra contracts like you.
Yeah. I pulled out a lot of my money in AMP just to kind of balance everything. I want to put some more in Webull, and I'm trying to decide what if Tasty Trade does work out. I'm gonna leave. I got 3,000 in it right now. The only reason I like it is because it gives me, which I can get a margin account with Webull too, but I've already got it there with Tasty Trade. So, and I'm starting to understand how to come in and out of trades. Like, how do you, where's the proper place to bid to get out? How do I just get out on the market?
Well, yeah, I think that's the best thing to have a demo account, right? To be able to try to practice that.
Well, yeah, and that's what I'm doing with this Thinkorswim, and just kind of playing around with it. And I'm just blindly taking these orders, man, just to see, just out of curiosity. Like,
Come on. One more tick.
what the basket looks like,
Yeah, right.
I mean, as of right now, I'm break even on 2 of them, and profit on a couple. So, only when I'm
All right, I'm on the bid. 3902. Lighten up.
Get it. You got it.
I'm out. Oh, yes. Oh, man, and it exploded up a little bit more. Nice. All right. Dude, end of the day, 30. Dude, it got me that extra little bit. $39, man.
Good for you, man.
$39 on the day, dude. Not bad. That's just playing 1 micro on each of the other trades, and then 2 on this last one.
That's awesome.
Awesome. And this is what I'm trying to build. Like, honestly, dude, I'm trying to just build up the confidence to get in and do the standards.
Yeah. I mean, if we'd have done standards, that'd been $560 today.
Yeah. I'm literally trying to build up that confidence to do it, and I think as I continue to do this and like learn the movements and stuff like that, and even to the point where, like, even though the algo itself is giving me a trigger, I know well enough to just kind of, it's not really a good order, and then just wait for the next signal, you know?
Right.
Which is like what I've like learned a little bit too. Is like be a little bit more patient on it, Oh man, I had to take some Tylenol too, dude. My head's hurting. Right. Well, that was a good day, man.
Did you see the guy running around at the Super Bowl?
Oh, you know what's funny is I seen a video of it on Facebook. I think it was.
That's funny, man. I'm just now
I
watching
didn't even see it. They didn't have that on the live feed.
Yeah, they got him too, man. They got like 7 people on him.
Dude, my MO is just destroying me right now, man. It's destroying me, dude. I'm probably down like $15 on 1150 right now. Yeah, 34 and a half, almost 35%. It definitely is against where I would normally close. I would have closed already,
Right.
but because it's a longer strike, I'm trying to let it play itself out. But I think because the market's moving up, this put is just, it's going against the grain.
Dude, $6 million. It's Tesla. More Neo calls. Ooh, $50
Yep.
strike. That's a way in the money.
I think yeah, Brandon called the Neo.
Yeah, I need to check my Neo, man, because I know it's gonna be popping. I'm
Mhm.
gonna get out of it too, man. If it goes green, I'm getting out. I'm not gonna play around. Cause I think I can own Neo at a better price. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I'm up 40 cents in it right now, but I'm gonna target 60. Actually, I'm gonna go
Mhm.
ahead and put an order in now. Um, let's see.
I want to come out of I want to come out of Starbucks, I think.
I don't like how you have to like set limit orders to come out.
I really do want to sell. Yeah, I'm gonna sell Starbucks at 100 and I'm gonna do 106.50. I'm gonna do good to close. Extended hours, yes. Sell Starbucks. Average price is 104.69.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna come out of energy too. I just don't like that stock. So
Oh,
I'm
Sweston.
gonna-
Sweston's up 11.5%.
yeah, I think it's a good time to sell it, you know? I don't know, like get out of that thing, you know?
Way up there too, dude.
Yeah.
Is that 2 shares of that?
More American Airlines puts are coming in. More Neo calls, so Neo's bound to go to 60. Um, AT&T's just not doing much for me.
Yeah, I'm trying to sell Sweston at 430, 432. So we'll see if they get out of that one too. So it's Sweston, Starbucks, trying to get those two closed out today.
Let's see here.
And I'm gonna hold on to Virgin Galactic. I kind of want that thing to, kind of do its thing.
Grubhub's really let me down. You know, I was up really good in it, and then we had earnings. Earnings sucked, and then we gapped down, and now, you know, we're trading at 72.59. My average is at 74.74. I like to build into that though, because I like Grubhub, man. I mean, check it out. I mean, it's up, but it's down right now, you know, and it's kind of in a range, and it's at the bottom of the range. I like that.
Grubby.
Oh, grubby.
72.62. Let's say he wants to. If it breaks below like 71, I think it's done. Go down to like 66, 67. Should be a better area to get in.
Yeah, yeah. And if it does, I'll be there. I've only got one share. So I'm literally down $2.15 right now. Which is not bad.
Mm-hmm.
IBM calls. SRAC, big order. 219 calls, 25 strike. I'm in profit on the day with all these basket orders. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Close this thing. Weston. As I want to try to get out of that, it is now selling off.
I'm not up big in anything, but my Riot trade is still doing good, and my NVDA trade is up $60 right now. That's at the money. That's that at the money trade I took with Nvidia. Ooh, look at the sell off, dude. We got out just in time.
Yep. I have a feeling, man. I don't know, dude. I just like it's trying to test these highs. It's making new highs and it's selling off. It's coming back up. It's like it's just in a range. It's like just a channel range, really. It's just going up, going down.
Yeah. It's been a crazy morning, but I mean, you and we haven't held like any downside today. So that's
No, not really. I mean, I was only down like $10. You know, at one point, I wasn't even nervous, man. I'm like, whatever, man. If it decides that it wants to flip, like,
yeah,
I'll let it flip. I really don't care. You know.
Yeah.
Really don't.
I gotta take a picture for the to post up on the and tell everybody like, what is wrong with you? Why aren't you in the room with us? This is my chance to get to fuss to people, you know.
Well, I've been trying to like, tell these people like get in here, listen,
Yep. Well, you can't help people, man, if they don't want to be helped. That's the thing, I've learned that people just do what they do. NBB.
Yep. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna pop off of here. I'm gonna get some work done.
All right, man.
That was a good day, man.
It was a good day.
Really good day.
It was. So, yeah, man. Take care. I'm gonna leave the stream on for a little bit and let the flow algo talk to people. So,
sweet.
All right, man. I'll talk to you afterwards.
All right, dude.
See you.
All right, later.
Voice alerts on. SQ 290 calls. February 19, 2021. 1300 KMI. 14 puts. March 5, 2021. 500 contracts. PYPL. 285 calls. February 12, 2021. 219 contracts. NVDA. 570 calls. February 12, 2021. 213 contracts. NIO. 60 calls. February 12, 2021. 223. Teva. 17 calls. January 21, 2022. 809 TDC. 60 calls. July 16, 2021. 215 DKNG. 60 calls. February 12, 2021. 508 NIO. 62 calls. February 12, 2021. 303 ZNGA. 20 calls. January 21, 2022. 805 contracts. NVDA. 570 calls. February 12, 2021. 2 BIDU. 320 calls. February 19, 2021. 300 contracts. AMD. 87 calls. February 12, 2021. 1000 contracts. Vale. 19 calls. March 19, 2021. 652 contracts. AMD. 87 calls. February 12, 2021. 1001 BTBT. 30 calls. February 19, 2021. 1007 BTBT. 30 calls. February 19, 2021. 1009 GM60 calls. March 19, 2021. 1522 contracts. AMD. 87 calls. February 12, 2021. 706 NVDA. 585 calls. February 19, 2021. 386 contracts. NIO. 57 calls. February 12, 2021. 130 contracts. MSFT 247 calls. February 12, 2021. 500 contracts. AMZN 3,380 calls. February 12, 2021. NIO 60 calls. February 12, 2021. 606 contracts. GIX 10 puts. March 19, 2021. 1,053 contracts. Net 100 calls. February 12, 2021. 166 contracts. ZNGA 12 calls. February 12, 2021. 882 contracts. Mara 25 calls. February 19, 2021. 806. Love 53 calls. February 26, 2021. 901 contracts. NXTD 2 calls. February 19, 2021. 632 contracts. AAPL 155 calls. June 18, 2021. 500 contracts. TSM 150 calls. March 19, 2021. 2,948 contracts. SPY 387 puts. February 19, 2021. 500 contracts. AAPL 155 calls. June 18, 2021. 960 contracts. FB 270 puts. February 12, 2021. 994 contracts. BA 275 calls. January 21, 2022. IWM 211 puts. March 19, 2021. 1,079 contracts. Gold 23 calls. February 12, 2021. 1,000 contracts. SPY 387 puts. February 19, 2021. IWM 215 puts. March 19, 2021. 6,988 contracts. MARA 30 puts. February 12, 2021. 939 IWM. 215 puts. March 19, 2021. 1,480 contracts. CPRI. 43 puts. February 12, 2021. 622 contracts. Gold. 25 calls. January 20, 2023. 701 LB 50 calls. March 19, 2021. 963 contracts. ABBV. 109 calls. February 12, 2021. 500 AMC. 6 calls. February 19, 2021. 683 contracts. AMC. 6 calls. February 19, 2021. 828 contracts. M16 calls. February 12, 2021. 750 contracts. TRVN. 5 calls. March 19, 2021. 500 contracts. Knock. 4 calls. January 21, 2022. 501 contracts. TRVN. 5 calls. March 19, 2021. 500 contracts, net. 95 calls. March 19, 2021. 755 contracts. Net. 105 calls. February 19, 2021. 1,300 contracts. AMD. 90 calls. February 26, 2021. 1,001. AMC. 8 calls. February 19, 2021. 607. AMC. 8 calls. February 19, 2021. 846. AMC. 8 calls. February 19, 2021. 1,289 contracts. AMD. 99 calls. February 26, 2021. 2,000. SPY. 387 puts. February 19, 2021. 500. AMD. 90 calls. February 12, 2021. 685. IWM. 220 puts. February 12, 2021. 654 contracts. F20 calls. January 21, 2022. 636 contracts. AMD. 95 calls. March 19, 2021. 612 contracts. GS80. 1 calls. February 19, 2021. 1,854 contracts. PBF. 10 puts. February 19, 2021. 500 contracts. PBF. 10 puts. February 19, 2021. 500 contracts. NVDA. 567 calls. February 19, 2021. 100 contracts. Sends 5 calls. February 19, 2021. 541 contracts. MP. 30 calls. March 19, 2021. 1,177 contracts. IWM. 218 puts. February 19, 2021. 1,255 contracts. MP. 30 calls. March 19, 2021. 502 contracts. Pins. 110 calls. January 21, 2022. 717 contracts. CLF 17 calls. February 12, 2021. 500 contracts. Pins. 110 calls. January 21, 2022. 2,383 contracts. TWLO. 390 puts. February 12, 2021. AAPL. 135 puts. February 12, 2021. 528 contracts. NVDA. 600 calls. February 19, 2021. 500 contracts. UAL. 45 calls. February 12, 2021. 200 and UAL. 45 calls. February 12, 2021. 300 and UAL. 45 calls. February 12, 2021. 300 contracts. AAL. 19 calls. February 12, 2021. 600 AAL. 20 calls. May 21, 2021. 500 contracts. TLRY. 32 calls. February 19, 2021. 1,000 NVDA. 585 calls. February 19, 2021. AAL. 21 calls. March 19, 2021. 1,000 contracts. NOK 5 puts. February 19, 2021. 771 NIO. 62 calls. February 19, 2021. 318 contracts. SPY. 386 puts. February 10, 2021. 500. SPY. 386 puts. February 10, 2021. 3,522 contracts. Oh. 20 calls. April 16, 2021. 1,230. Oh. 20 calls. April 16, 2021. 2,000 contracts.